Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you this high bun hairstyle which is very perfect for any function. Just be sure you are subscribing to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. So let's get started. So first thing, I am just gonna take out the bunch of hair from both the side. These hairs I am gonna use in later part. Now I am just gonna take all the remaining hairs in my hands and I am just gonna tie a very high ponytail. And be sure you are using a very good elastic to tie your ponytail. And make sure your ponytail should be on top of, like literally on top of your head. And now I'm just gonna use this plastic donut bun. Using this bun, we just gonna have a really fluffy bun. So now I am just splitting my hairs into two parts like this, and I'm just gonna spread all the hairs around the bun. And now I'm using one elastic like this, and this way you're gonna get a really good bun shape because we are using the bun inside. So now the important part, I am just pulling out the hairs from both the sides, from all the sides, just to give it a more fluffier look to your bun. It's up to you. If you want a smaller bun, keep it this way. I am just pulling out because I want a kind of bigger fluffier bun. So slowly I am pulling out the hair. So this is how it's gonna look. And now all the remaining hairs I am just gonna divide into 3 to 2 parts. And I am just gonna roll around the bun. The first part I already rolled up and securing using the bobby pin. Now I have a bunch of hairs. I am just gonna divide into 2 parts. It's depend upon your volume, and I am just rolling around the bun, and it's gonna support your bun and also give a more fluffier look. And this is the last part. I am just rolling them up, guys. So I'm almost done. I'm just gonna roll this last part and just securing using few bunch of bobby pins. Like if your hairs are silky, use more bobby pins, and also make sure you are using the hairspray to have a good grip. And just adjust your hair. Now I'm just taking few hairs out, and now all those remaining hair from one side, I'm just gonna use it now. So I'm just rolling it little bit and just pulling them tightly. And now I'm just adjusting my hairs to give like pretty look from one side. Look at that. Like this. Just use your hand. You don't need to use comb. Just use your hand, and again secure it using the bobby pins. Press it so you will get this slanting look. And now I am just gonna repeat the step again, opposite side. This hairstyle is really perfect, guys, for like any reception, wedding function, or any party. So make sure you are trying it out. I'm sure you will like it. And use any hair accessory to give a more pretty look. So I'm done. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. Just be sure you're subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in next video.